Hello and welcome, beautiful people, to another round. Yeah, let's get into it. The thing is, when I was growing up, the America has been seen as the freedom land, probably a very nice country to live in. I don't think that anymore. From what I can see, that they were inviting other countries for their own benefit. There's nothing noble about that. What is very, very good, and I think that is the best in the world, is freedom of speech on certain topics. Because you cannot speak in America about everything, and I think that's going down, right? You say something bad, and they will have your job. So you can say things, but only the things which are non-controversial. If like the social warriors don't like it, it's hate speech. I mean, it's probably not as simple as I just said it, but it feels like that a lot of time. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, fuck me. Okay, so how did I do? I was very young when it happened, but growing up I heard everyone talk about this fight and unnecessary war. Yeah, well... 3:30 a.m. That's pretty nice for me. My issue with freedom of speech is even the idiot have a saying and his or words carry a value even if it's ultra rubbish. That's a different thing, you know? That's a different thing, you know? I mean, like, these, they have, I think, like, freedom of speech by itself, it's, like, good. But especially in the US and in some other countries, like, they feel like they have to give like the equal time, you know, to explain something, or the voice, you know, to say, like, if you have like this side or that side, you have to put like the both like the same airtime, no matter how stupid that other thing is, you know. And yeah. And I don't agree that his or her words carry a value. And I know where you are coming from. Like people are like pretending that they do, but they don't. And it's like, you know, maybe my words will have some carry weight on development, right? And what I see and what bothers me as well, like people have like some expertise, right? Let's say a doctor, you know, and you are a doctor or lawyer, right? It's deemed like difficult thing to be expert in, right? But then people like go and basically take that person, which is authority in medicine, let's say, and suddenly he will be speaking about like programming, right? And they will say, "Oh yeah, he must know," because no, he doesn't. He's a doctor, you know. He doesn't know shit about software, and vice versa, right? I don't know shit about like medical things. But sometimes I see like people like, "Oh, well, he's professor, he must be really smart, so his views on economics are important." No, if he's gynecologist, you know, doesn't. Yeah, that's just my thing. So let's apply to the element. Okay. So template bindings is the highest. Okay, I still have no idea what this. I never saw this. I don't know what is this like the directive host bindings. What the fuck is that? Like, I never saw this. Okay, so yeah, but where do you use it? How do you use it? Where should I put it in the program so it would work in any kind of like way? I never saw that. What is this? Someone has the same. Yeah. What is this? Welcome back. Yeah, sure. Well, I mean, the angular declaration is not bad, you know, that's just one of many things, you know, like more things are done well in the Angular IO documentation than not. Which I don't know. Like Java has good documentation. I have been told. What is this? Because we trust you on other sides of the network. Whatever. Please cast your votes. Nah, I'm not like that active member. Yes. Okay, so host listener and host binding. What does it look like? So that is a decorator. Wait, you don't like it? Okay. Ah, that will be probably that. Okay, so that is a host binding, and then, well, they have it in perfect. Okay. What am I looking for? I am looking for directive binding. That's great. No, it is a case sensitive? What the fuck? Okay. Oh, so you put the styles in here. Oh, I see. I see. It goes in here, right? So there would be not just selector, but there would be also like class and so on. I don't know what this host is here. I would like to see an example, like code example, but there's. Is there some? No, it's always example of like the template binding. Or is this the... Oh, hold on. It's like there is actually... Binding to a specific class takes precedence over generic class. Okay. And binding to a specific style. Okay, so this is all in the template binding. different processes possible for the bindings in the template, from host bindings on matched directives, and from host binding on matched components. Template bindings are most specific. Okay, share and deck. Okay, so the class special template binding overrides any host binding to the special set by this. Do we have that in the HTML somewhere? Okay, so here is a class binding. The fuck? Come with Derived style. Oh, look at that. It's here. Come with the host binding. Oh, I'm so hungry. I need to eat something at least. I used to have here a bag with a rope. And I think there were something little in it to eat. Oh boy, yes, there is. Let's start. I just have a little bit before we're out to get some food. So this is where it is coming from. Do we have the directive somewhere? No, we don't. No. It's okay. Okay, so in the source code, how can I, that was the HTML, right, and this this dire with style by what was the selector? Comp with host binding. Oh, that's here. So this is source specificity. And if I have a look in here, that is this guy, and it has a black background because of that, right? It's red. I don't know why is it red, because the special doesn't have a red foreground color, but the there with class binding. Oh yeah, that's this guy. It's the component binding, right? It says on component. Okay. Oh fuck. There you go. Alright, it has special. Then it has this pink, which is style color, which is more specific. Okay. And here the color will be blue, right? Yep. So, and now if we do this is special, you know, the special thingy has black background color, right? And in the here it says class special, right? So we will say not so special, which is the class over here, so that has a green background. Now it is black because the special has a higher precedence to. Oh no, there are both of them, but they are only because of the order in the CSS file, huh? Aren't they? No. Yes. So if I take this and move it over here, it will be green. Okay. Oh, it's not. It is not. Do you see that? Oh, fuck. I'm inspecting the wrong thing. So it's a special. Ah, okay. I got it. So I'll move this up again. And now when we say undefined here on the HTML, this is special, right? So it is true, but we will say it is undefined, which should mean that this will have a look for. Okay, it looks for the same class, huh? How does this work? Okay, well. Okay, it disappeared. But if we... It's supposed to be special too, right? So I'll change this back to special. Now it will be black again. It's not. The CSS special background color black. So why? That doesn't fucking work. I don't get it. Special is undefined in here. God fucking damn it. And if I inspect it, there's not a special thing yet. Oh, and I will turn off this for the clarity in the CSS. So it has just pink, that's that. Cool. The fuck? Okay, it works now, but oh, this works. Style color template overrides any host binding to the color. Derived style binding or we still have the derived style binding, right? Okay, so special type template bindings overrides any host binding to the special. To the special class set. Okay, so I want to find this. Here's nothing like that in here. It doesn't do shit. What about this? Is this defined? The derived style binding doesn't seem to be doing anything. Why is it? It's not allowed here. This is directive with class binding, directive with style binding. But we don't have those directives anywhere. Or what the fuck is that? If I go here. I don't know. Pisses me off that there are no the directives. There are no directives in this project at all. I'm missing something. If I have the search for directive, you don't get that. You don't get that anywhere. If I say component, we have few of those. Too many actually in directory, and we will, yeah, here. In maybe just in the source. Yep. Here we go, and we have okay, a component. Here we go. Here's the component T. The directive is not there. Directives are not there. No. Class expression has a value for the special class. This value overrides the class special below. In addition, bindings takes precedence over static attributes. I don't know what they meant here. Okay, so this overrides that, but so if this will be not so special, that will be overridden, because now there's some text that is static versus dynamic, right? So it's black if say not so special. Let's see. And if I go, okay, so I'll undo this. This is special, and we will put this. This is special right now as well, right? So it's a special, but we will now say not so special. Doesn't over, okay. So in which way does it override it? Huh. I mean, how? Oh, maybe if the style here is different, right? So we have it here, right? But we will, I will copy this, and paste it, and this will be component 2. Okay. Now I will go back in where it was. The HTML, and here is the class expression on the component, right? And we will change this CS as to 2. And here we will change the background color to red, for example. And it overrides it everywhere. What the fuck? Yeah, I'll be going. So, but I have it now. It's used a lot, right? Here is 1, 2. This class expression sits on the app component. So I probably should put it into, yeah, that was stupid. App component, this will be the same, but we have this guy over here. And we can say style URLs, and this was array of strings, I think. You know what, I can steal it elsewhere, right? Okay. Yeah, and I wanted to change it in. Yeah, this is the component. Okay, so this will be 2, and now I can finally see maybe. What was the selector? And I'll search for it. Input with attribute decorator. That's the number. The last thing on a page, huh? Number, and it displays the type, and here we will say this is how you do that. To us. So what the fuck? Yeah, I'm not sure about this, but what I'm sure about is that we are done because the timer ran out. So I'll